Janice. I'm the marketing associate here at FaceTory.
My name is Gloria and the head curator and creative here at FaceTory.
And we are so excited for this unboxing video!
We're going to talk about
Forever Fresh Kit! Yay! Okay, so our Forever Fresh Kit comes with 4 sheet masks, and this is like our beginner kit. This is like if you haven't ever sheet masked before and you want to start getting into it, this is the plan for you. And this is going to be $8.90 and such a great deal, right, Gloria? And these are great masks. This comes like cotton masks,
Yes.
but we'll get into like what's going to be in it. Our first mask of our own mask too. Dun, dun, dun.
Oh my goodness! Rejuvenate snail mask!
Yes!
So it's a snail mask. Janice, have you ever tried any snail masks
I
before?
have actually tried some snail masks, but I know a lot of our customers haven't, and so they may be a little frightened, but Gloria will reassure you because this is a great mask.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Despite it being snail mucin, which is snail slime, there's a lot of really great benefits of it, and I'll explain more just later, but we do have a special guest today.
We do. It's like a kids show. We're gonna clap on 1, 2, 3, our guest's gonna come. But yes, we're gonna do that. When we clap on 1, 2, 3, she's gonna show up. Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Hi FaceTory fam! So my name is Belinda and I'm the marketing assistant at FaceTory, and I'm so happy to be here with you guys today to try out Oh My Goodness mask.
Oh my goodness.
She's gonna lend our face to try on this mask. Thank you so much.
Okay, so I actually, in our curations for this month, we do, on our inserts, we do include like little sketches of each of the members of FaceTory.
Who curated it too. So for instance, Gloria helped curate this mask. So that's why you see a little drawing of Gloria on it. It's me. Yeah, she has her little glasses and bangs.
Okay,
So cute.
and I said I love snail masks, so I'm so excited for you to try FaceTory's newest snail mask that not only moisturizes, but also helps with wrinkles and acne. I definitely saw an improvement of my skin texture. So with snail secretion filtrate, which is the snail mucin, it contains a lot of great nutrients such as hyaluronic acid and glycoprotein, which will help moisturize, will help smooth your skin and get rid of those wrinkles.
Anti-aging isn't just when you're like older. Like we start now.
Yeah, and also it has another ingredient called shea butter, and shea butter is a really great ingredient to help fill in those dry cracks in your skin. So just imagine you have a piece of land, this is your skin, but you have like cracks, like little cracks in it. But the shea butter is gonna go in and fill up those cracks and make your skin smooth. So,
Ooh, let's take a look at that
essence. It's
essence.
It's really smooth.
I love that. A little bit glossy.
Yeah. But it's not too thick either. So it's great for people with oily, acne-prone skin, combo skin, and dry skin. If you have dry skin, just put another layer of moisturizer on top after she masked it.
Perfect. Yeah, look how gorgeous she looks. By the way, you may have noticed we have party hats on. She has a happy birthday hat on. And so this month, we're gonna just bring it up. This month is our birthday!
Happy birthday! To us and to you.
And to you! So actually the tagline we have for this month is, here's to you.
We love puns.
We do. So basically this month is our 2-year birthday, but you know, we wouldn't be here without you guys.
Yeah.
We wouldn't be able to have such great products, such a great brand, such a strong brand without you guys, and we want to be like, this is not about us, this is about you guys. So we hope that we curated a really great set of masks, selection of masks.
And we hope that we'll continue curating new masks for the upcoming year. So
and with you guys.
with you guys.
Always be by our side. So thank you for being on our side. Okay, so the next mask we're going to talk about is Look at Me Aqua Moisture Raccoon Face Mask. And guys, we love raccoons. Look how cute it is. We like cute stuff. He's so cute. He's so cute. So our wonderful customer experience and also event planner, Alice, wrote this. Look at me wearing Look at Me's cutely packaged Aqua Moisture Mask. After a long day, it's the perfect pick-me-up treat. So sit back, relax, and enjoy all the moisture this mask has to offer as we celebrate turning 2. Very nice. So So this mask is also not just great for its packaging, but it's packed with a lot of great ingredients. One of them I would like to point out is sunflower seed oil. So this has really good emollient properties, so it's going to help lock in that moisture, which is always really good because you know we're heading into the winter time, the fall. You guys, I know you're experiencing some skin that needs some moisture.
Yeah.
And then so the next ingredient I also want to talk about this great mask is sodium hyaluronate. Am I supposed to say that right?
Yes.
Sodium hyaluronate. And this is a great skin restoring mask. It's really moisturizing and it provides a lot of benefits for aging skin. And remember, we're not just anti-aging like when we're old, we're doing it now.
So just show people like how it looks like.
So I'm gonna pull it out. So see right here, it's beautiful texture.
Essence. Ooh. It's very soft, smooth, and I can see, you can tell that it's going to be a great fit.
Yes.
It's big enough. It's not too small, and they included little slits. So then on the bottom, sometimes you have that problem with your chin. It tucks in for you.
So this slit will be perfect for you guys when you're trying to get it to match your face shape. So let's have Gloria talk about the next mask.
Okay, the next mask is gonna be dun, dun, dun,
Curated by me.
curated by Belinda.
It's my Belinda.
It's called the Halo,
Halo.
which it says live once. Okay, calming white mask. Belinda, do you want to read what you said?
I'll try my best.
A quote from the great source of this.
So, say hello to FaceTory Tuning 2 with this calming white mask. I am so in love with the smooth, creamy essence that left my skin radiant and soft. This mask is perfect at night to soothe and calm tired skin.
Perfect.
So I really love this mask.
Yes.
It has beautiful essence.
I do have to point out, even though it says white, it doesn't mean that your face will turn white. It just means that your complexion will even out. So if you have any red spots, you have any like dark spots, it will help lighten those spots so then your skin can be more even toned and just more clear. So that's what I mean by the white.
Yeah, we always try to preface that because I know that a lot of you guys are new to K-beauty, and so definitely it's not like you need to have whiter skin. It's more like we're just helping your skin tone.
Yes, for clear, brighter complexion. And then so it has milk protein extract. So that ingredient will help to get rid of the hyperpigmentation, the redness, and also it will help hydrate your skin. So it's good for the winter months where there's not as much humidity in the air, not just moisture in the air, is more drier. So you definitely need a mask that is going to help you with that. And it has a creamy essence too. So then this is great. So your essence doesn't evaporate that as fast as it was if it was like a runnier essence. So this is a good mask for nighttime. So then you can just let all of that great creamy essence settle in while you're sleeping.
Yes.
And it also has mushroom extract, which contains a lot of antioxidants. And you know we love antioxidants.
Yes, we do.
And antioxidants help with anti-aging. So helps with, and those free radicals are floating around. When you're going outside, there's sun is hitting you. There's still sun, even though you don't see it. There's peeking out from the clouds.
We always want to put that out.
So there's still sun that will do damage not only when you're outside, but even when you're going back inside the house. Those free radicals floating around your skin, they're gonna take away some of the healthy cells, gonna damage them, so then cause more wrinkles and like the dry and like rough skin,
which we don't want that to happen.
So you want a sheet mask, to prevent that.
Yes, perfect.
Okay, so that was the Halo Calming White Mask. So can't wait for you guys to try it.
Also, the color's so pretty.
I know, right?
It's so good. It goes well with our theme.
It's like cotton candy.
Yeah. Okay. Anyways, I just want to point that out. Okay, the next mask we are going to do is actually curated by me. So this is the Pure Skin Collagen Lifting Mask, Lifting Intensive Mask. So this is warm to my heart because I tested this out and I can't believe it's like in the box. So I'm gonna read what I wrote. So this is my personal favorite November kit mask. In my search of the best sheet mask, one of my #1 priorities is definitely a product that plumps my skin. Try this mask out in the morning time and you'll be ready for any day. I put a winky face. We got you. So this has hydrolyzed collagen, which is really good for giving your skin that nice plumpness, which is definitely something you want in the morning. I know that you're like looking for a mask that's really good to prep your skin.
Ooh.
Yes, and then also reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And then a next really great ingredient is green tea extract, and you guys know green tea extract is just like, you know, it's another ingredient warm to our heart.
Yeah.
So again, it has a lot of antioxidants, which is always good. We always go back to that. So we're really excited for you guys to try it. And also, doesn't the packaging make you super hungry? It's like a little treat.
I like pudding.
Yeah, I like
I've been
pudding.
craving pudding for a while.
Yeah, comment it down there if you like pudding. Pudding is one of my favorite desserts.
Or if you don't like pudding,
what's your favorite dessert?
Yeah.
Yes, because it's a birthday month.
Yes.
Yes.
We
So-
might be eating desserts in the future,
Yes.
maybe IG Live.
You never know.
Never know.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have this mask and we're gonna put it on Belinda's face. But first, let's see the post glow.
Yay! Oh my god, my favorite part is taking it off and like seeing the afterglow.
Goes with your happy birthday crown. Everything sparkle, sparkle.
So Belinda's face is actually quite nice before, but now I feel like it's even more moisturized and just a little slightly plumper.
Yes.
Yeah, and just slightly brighter too.
Yes.
Yeah, I love this mask. I love the way it smells. I love the way it feels. The essence is it's non-sticky. Yeah, so it's also good for morning time too.
Yes.
Yes.
Yay! So her gonna get all plump like pudding.
Yes. Collagen is great at plumping your skin.
Yes, it is.
Okay, so there is a layer, there's a white paper. That helps to just like make it easier for you to unravel the sheet mask. So make sure you take that off before masking. Or you can do what Belinda's doing and just like, it will just help her put on the mask.
Yeah, I know some
Or,
people do
yeah,
that.
I do that sometimes. Sometimes I just rip it off
Yeah.
and then I just try to.
It depends like what floats your boat.
Yeah.
Look at that. See?
Ooh.
That is a beautiful technique. A beautiful sheet mask technique. How does that feel right now?
It feels really smooth. I love this mask.
Yeah.
Really quick, Janice. Yeah, the essence is very smooth and
Yeah.
creamy.
So it's
Excited
like
to see how
the
my skin will feel after this too.
sheet is like really thin.
Yes. So if it's a thin mask, also it helps to put it onto your face. Okay, there you go. See that? So it's like
Buttery smooth.
So this one is clear essence compared to the Oh My Goodness snail mask.
yeah.
And is a little bit thinner too. Yeah, like Jen said, this one would be a good one before like makeup.
Yeah.
Because it's like not too
It's not too sticky or
Yeah.
thick.
We are gonna have our very first self-care box.
Yes.
Yes. So can you talk a little bit about that, Gloria?
Yes, so we're launching our self-care box. We've listened to you guys, know you guys love sheet masks, but you also love other skincare
Yes.
products. So we're bringing that to you. We're bringing other K-beauty skincare products that we've all curated in the office.
Yes.
We tried it out, and now it's finally happening, and it's gonna coming. So
I'm so excited.
there'll be how many products? There'll be 8 or 9 products
Yeah.
for this box. What's so special with this box is that it's a one-time purchase. There'll also be a sheet mask.
Yeah.
There'll be maybe modeling masks,
Maybe lip mask.
maybe lip mask, maybe a foot
Maybe a
mask.
foot mask.
Stay tuned and you'll find out. We'll
Yes,
reveal it.
we'll
one
be
by one.
revealing it, but guys, this is the gift you should get for people.
Yes.
Like, self-care is always so important, and that's why we chose to name it
Yeah.
self-care box. And so, like, you know, it's like the concept of, have you heard of people making their like happy box, where people put this box, like they have a box and they put things that make them happy in it. This is what we wanted to do for you guys. We took all your thoughts, all your suggestions, and we wanted to make a box for you guys that you could share with your friends. Because I know that sometimes you just need like one box to give them. And it's a huge box. Like it's
Oh my
bigger
God.
than our normal.
It is
size.
bigger. I feel like it's more. It's like 4 times.
Yeah, it feels so big, which is like even like wow, super grand.
So I'm excited.
We're
So excited for it to launch, and so excited for you guys to see it and order it possibly.
Yes, let's take
Show
it
you
off.
guys how it looks.
Ooh.
I need to really like tap this onto the skin. It feels super smooth. I can tell like once this is like absorbed into it, it's gonna be so soft and velvety.
Yes.
Yeah.
It is a great mask.
Great
Okay,
mask.
but thank you guys for joining us.
Thank you.
And also, here's to you! You in the corner, you in the office, you sitting in the bathroom, I